Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome to my channel. So today's going to be a quick recipe that you can make at home. I love this recipe. It is chicken sauteed with cabbage, onions, zucchini, and corn. It's always been a favorite of mine. Growing up, my mom would actually do them in empanadas. She would make fresh flour tortillas. She would roll them out. She would stuff this food inside of the tortilla. She would close it up and she would deep fry it. So it would be sort of like, I don't know, what are those pizza things called? Like a pizzone? Yes, and in Spanish, these would be called empanadas. Empanadas with pollo, repollo, calabaza, elote, and y cebolla. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to make this quick, easy to make food, and it is so tasty. The only spices you put in them is a little bit of salt and pepper. So stay tuned and let's cook. All right, so what you're going to need are chicken thighs, 1 head cabbage sliced, 2 zucchini diced or quartered, 1 can corn, 1 jalapeno, salt and pepper. You're going to saute the chicken thighs, and here I do use them with the bone. I didn't want to cut it up yet. I wanted to cook it together for the flavor. And here are my vegetables all put together nicely. Got the corn, cut up zucchini, and the sliced cut up cabbage, and there's onion underneath. You have that available and ready on the side so you can add it later. So you cook the chicken for about, I'd say about 20 minutes. I did add a little bit of garlic, and the salt I'll apply it later as I add and cook the vegetables. Okay, so you're going to cook the chicken until it's about golden brown, and since mine had bone, I have to debone it. Then I'm going to add the vegetables, the salt, pepper, and we're going to cook it. You can taste it as you go and see if you need to add more salt. Here are all the vegetables together, and you're going to cook and stir until the liquids are gone, and you can brown the cabbage as well. And here I've added some jalapeno for some spice, and you can add that as well if you like. So the recipe, this is the meal, this would be the filling for the empanadas that I mentioned earlier, where you would fill the rolled out flour tortillas, you would fill it with this meat, and you would close it up, pinch it, close it up, and deep fry it immediately, and you have some delicious empanadas. And as you can see, the liquid's almost gone, and then you are done with this meal. It's really good. Let me know how many of you guys have actually tried it. And please remember to click like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you.